My name's Adina, a curl expert on all social media stations. I've been a curl expert for over a decade. I'm triple trained Redad, Curlisto, and Diva. I believe I'm the only person globally that has all three trainings. I'm also the author of the ABCs, How to Always Be Curly and Love It. So I took that knowledge of that triple training and all the things I've learned along the way, and I put it in the book form. This is actually like a tutorial on paper. It's also available in ebook form, and I'm so happy to say that I have a Spanish translation. That's also available online through Amazon, Ingram Sparks, Smashwords, Amazon actually globally, you'll find that book as well. The print copy is only available in English and ebook for both English and the Spanish version. So I was thinking to myself, as I was wandering in my empty little studio, how can I bring what I love doing here so much, home to you guys right now? And I thought to myself, the hardest thing that I know that I've been told when it comes to transitioning is that ugly duckling phase. I just can't go natural. I gotta go to work every day. So if you're a non-essential worker and locked up in your home right now, what better time to transition out than now? So I'm gonna put together a Curly Girl transition little kit available on the curlygirls.ca website that's gonna include the ABCs, the book, or ebook. It's gonna include not a strip bar, that was designed by one of my curly girls, formulated. It's 100% natural way to clarify the hair, get rid of all styling product buildup and debris and oil and mineral deposits. Fantastic. Then you're gonna receive a treatment in there as well. And you'll also receive the root lifting clips. Techniques are in the book. Also on my YouTube channel, there's a very old video there, but it does show how to use the clips to get volume. If you're an epic fail and you just can't get the clips, you've heard about the method, you just can't master it, I'm also gonna include the pink pick. I love the pink pick, made in Canada as well. Designed this quite a few years ago. It's very, very soft and flexible, little prongs there, little balls at the end so it doesn't scratch the scalp like typical picks. The fan tail makes it so when you're in the shower, you put your conditioner on, you just flip your hair up. It will keep the hair out of the shower stream as it should while you're in the shower, so it can have the processing time. Then you can gently detangle the hair. It's amazing if you can't get the clipping method. Just put it in at the root, just hover the diffuser there, move it around a bit. It's gonna almost give the same effect using the clips, but a little bit easier to use. If you have very fine hair and you find your styling product just clumps when you use the spray stylers, it's also really good when you spray on your hair and hold the hair out. You'll evenly distribute your styling product. So that's gonna be included as well. I'm gonna give you like a little pony tie that's gonna help you when you're tying your hair back instead of those goodie ones that are so hard on the hair. And you'll also receive a little throwaway sleeping cap. This is typically the one they use in food service, but you'll get more than one use of it for sure. Until you figure out from reading the book what method might work best for you, because there is a whole bunch of tips in there as well on that. You'll just use this to help you for the time being. So at this time, I do wanna wish everybody safe, prosperity during this time, whether it be, spiritually, emotionally, just take this time. Our world is so busy all the time, and it's almost like we're being forced to slow down. So, do something good for yourself. Take time to do something that you wouldn't normally have time to do. Share the love with people that maybe you don't have time with all the time. So, there is a way to make this a positive, and we will get through this. So wishing everybody safe and health, and I look forward to hopefully putting together those kits for you soon.